Hey guys, it's me Riz, and I'm going to be testing the Nvidia RTX. Sorry. So about it is like it's like an AI thing or whatever it's called that it removes background noise from your microphone. So like if you like your key if you have like a loud microphone, it won't like hear your keyboard or your mouse or anything in your background. So I'm going to be testing that in Nitro Type. So I will be testing it off, and if it's like hurting your ears, I'm sorry. So we're testing it off. Okay, hello, hello. Okay, now we're testing it off. Boom. Put that to the side. Now we are going to test, and I'll show you the difference. You can already tell from my keyboard, you hear it very loud. Sorry. This is gonna hurt your ears, so rip um headphone users. So internal fire using these methods, comma, there will be no need to spend. Okay. Now, I did that. Now that's with it off. I will put it on, and there's gonna be a difference. Okay, so load on. Now let me show you. You won't really hear my keyboard, so here. See, you guys don't hear. I'm literally pressing caps, and you don't hear it. I don't think you can hear it that well. You can probably hear it a little bit, but it's very quiet. No one will hear it that much. No one will hear it. So it's awkward when people stand around, and when it's taking out the background sound, your mic will be a little weird because it's trying to take out that nitro thing on accident. Take out all of the background sound. So your mic might sound a little weird, and then it'll go back. It's when it's your background noise. I actually got first place. Yo, let's go. But I hope this helped you. I hope this helps you and when you can try it. But it's only with RTX and GTX graphics cards. So have a good day and bye.